Good morning, guys. We had us a casualty last night at the camper. If you've watched one of our last videos, you know that we replaced the bedroom AC with the new Furion 18K. That wasn't the one that took a dump on us, whatever works to say. But hello, these South Mississippi roads are all bumpy. But anyways. Was sitting there in the living room last night about 11:30, 12 o'clock-ish, watching some TV. Living room AC kicks on, which is the original, some kind of Dometic unit. I don't even know what it is. When it comes on, it struggles. You can hear it. It's not wanting to come on. Next thing I know, oh Lord, it lets out some nasty smells. Like it was terrible. So got up, of course, shut the unit off, let it sit there for a little while because it has been about 115 degrees outside. So just seeing if maybe we let it sit for a little while, maybe it would come on. Well, this morning when it tried coming on, it did the exact same thing. So I'm on my way to Home Depot now. Got to buy a little standalone portable unit because nobody around here has replacement units. Was going to order one from E-Trailer because they are cheaper. We're going to go with the Furion again to match the one upstairs since we've been extremely happy with it. But they can't get it to us until the middle of next month. Like I said, it's been 115 degrees outside, so that's not going to work out. Amazon can give me one by Saturday for about $15 more than what E-Trailer is, so it is what it is. I was trying to support a local business. I guess I'll have to support whoever's selling it on Amazon. But yeah, like I said, I'm on my way to Home Depot. Spend some more money. Just got done spending like $1,500 this morning on that new air conditioner that's going to be here by the end of the week. So do me a favor while I'm driving. Hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. It'll make the day go a little bit better. Now this weekend I'm going to be out in 100+ degree weather on top of his RV replacing an air conditioner. And then we're probably going to be sweating like crazy and downstairs until that one shows up. Because I'm sure that whatever I can find at Home Depot is not going to be big enough to keep that downstairs cool while it's we're in the middle of this heat advisory. So yeah, see you guys here in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back at the RV. Went to Home Depot, got me a portable AC. Not the best thing in the world, but it is what it is. As you can see, had to put it here in the living room. That's not really ideal to plug it into the camper, but our pedestal outside only has 50 amp. It doesn't have an additional 20 amp or a 30 amp, but it's only going to be running until maybe Sunday at the latest, so which is only a couple of days away, so I think we'll be alright. That's what it looks like going out the window. Not the prettiest, but like I said, it's only temporary. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, hit that like button, give us a subscribe if you enjoyed this, and you feel sorry for us. We'll see you next time.